Couple of weeks ago, when I was out driving around town, I saw this vintage waterfall dresser sitting out on the curb. When I stopped to take a look at it, it was in pretty sad condition, but I knew that I could take some of the pieces from that dresser and make something with it and save it from the landfill. Hi everyone, I'm so glad you stopped by my channel today. My name's Sharhan and I am the owner and artist of Silver Lining Salvage Shop here in Rome, Georgia. And today we've got a fun project for you. I picked up these wall stickers from the Dollar Tree and they had such cute sayings and I thought they would make some great signs. This is the first project that I'm making from those pieces that I saved from that dresser. I still have a couple more ideas for the other pieces. I created my own stain because I wanted a specific color that I didn't have, and it's easily done by taking 50% water and 50% paint, stirring it together, and you basically just got watered down paint that you can apply just like you would a stain. And you can wipe that back if you choose to, or if you're happy with the color, just put it right on and keep on going. For my project, I decided to use a couple of different colors and I layered them on using the dry brush technique. You have to let each layer dry before you add another or your paint may start blending. But if you're okay with that look, then go with it. Dry brushing is a very easy technique and all you need to do is make sure that you just have very little amount of paint on your paintbrush. You offset that paint by blotting it onto a paper towel and then you just lightly brush it onto your piece. Have fun with it. Just keep playing with it. Go lightly because you can always add more and add layers and layers of paint. But as you continue to build up that paint, it just starts to get that really nice weathered look. For this project, I decided to use Waverly Chalk Paint. I really like this paint because it's very durable and inexpensive. You can find it at any Walmart. Once I got the background of my signs completed, I sealed them, let that dry, and then added the wall decals. Once I had the wall decals in place, I then added another layer of sealant. The dresser was vintage, it had those beautiful dovetail ends and I kept those sides so that I could make something with them. I wasn't sure at the time, but when I found those stickers at the Dollar Tree, I had a great idea. For this laundry sign, I thought that it looked a little plain, so I pulled out these wood accents that I had picked up from an estate sale a couple of months ago, and they look perfect. One of the wall decals that I picked up was a little too wide to use on my drawer pieces that I had saved, so I picked up a sign at the Dollar Tree. I'll show you how to make that over so you can make it fit with your home decor. As you can see with this last sign, I had a little bit of an issue with the placement of the wall decal and had to lift it up. This did lift up a little bit of the paint. I'm thinking this is probably because of the material that the sign was made out of. This was the Dollar Tree sign, but I was able to add a little bit of extra dry brushing and reposition the sticker, and it's like you can't even tell. The final step of this project was to drill holes in the top 2 corners of the sign and add some jute that I picked up at the Dollar Tree so that I could hang these in my home. Another option would be to pick up those picture hangers at your local hardware store and use those if that's your preference, or just add command strips to the back and stick it to your wall so that you don't have any wall damage. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY project of taking the Dollar Tree wall decals and turning them into a beautiful farmhouse sign to display in your home. Next time you pass that section in the Dollar Tree, be sure to pick some up and make your own signs for your home. Be sure to let me know what you think of the signs down in the comments below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'm Sharhan, and get creating. Is that I can't? And this Monday? I hope I don't have to redo all that. It's fine. It's fine. It's all fine. It's fine. This is hard. Period. This isn't a text message. Why did I say period? What the heck?